So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of this package. I ordered this from Kilimall. It's a set of nail drills. So let's unbox it together. I hope it has this wrap. It's very good. So let's break it like this. I hope I got what I ordered because I don't think it is what I ordered. It's not. Oh please. Oh sorry. I bet you are supposed to be like it's not all of them, because as you can see we have 1, 2 missing. So this is how the package came. So let's start unboxing one by one. So this one, that's these ones. I guess these ones. And this. These ones look like foot buffers. I have this one. This one is a bit harder than this one and spongy. Like it has kind of fabric or something like that. So it has some fur, like some fur-ish. Texture. Okay, there's this one. And there's this one. These ones I bought for the purposes of my nails. As you can see, they are not in a great condition, so I'll be using these ones to do my prep. So they've just come in time to help me remove my nails. This one I removed the rhinestone that was there. I love these storage boxes, they're nice. So this is the reason why I bought this package. So we have the fine one. This one is good for the cuticle area. So it will help me a lot with the cuticle. I'll put the fine ones too. Another fine one is this one, and it's rounded, so it will be good, so I won't cut myself. Ooh. Nice. So this one is the removing acrylic, removing like the gel. polygel. So I'll try them out in a different video when I'll be doing nail prep. These ones are flat. And then these ones are the cone shaped ones. Those are nice. That seems to be the most cost and even than this one. Yeah, I can see all these are green, but when you compare the teeth, these ones look bigger. Let me try and put a black. I'll use this one that was bits. You can see that this one looks like the grit is more tougher than the rest. So I ordered this most especially to take out product, acrylic, polygel, hard gel, all such. But I've noticed there's a difference. These ones, they have a bigger metallic barrel than the others. These ones together. Seems like two. There should be two more. There's two missing, but I'll check in the posting. She's different. That's weird. I don't know. Isn't this each box is different. Okay, so I think I'll let it lie like this so that you're able to see. So these are the bits. This one is a cleaner brush. Clean the bits. I can put this black thing to help it. This is a clean one. This is a buffer. Then we have this one. Buffer is not fine. This one is also good, I think, for the cuticle. I have these on it. This one I think is good for either the cuticle or underneath the nail. There's this one too. These two are other favorites of mine for the cuticle. One is larger. This one is larger than this, but I feel like this one is a bit smaller and it's rougher. So, yeah, this one is rougher than this one. one is similar to this one, but this one is a bit plump. This one is a bit more sharp. This one is sharper. And now we have these two. They're like the others, but this one is rounded. This one is flat. They also seem to be similar, but this one is skinny. This one is a bit skinny than this one, and longer. They look similar. This one and this one look alike, but this one is a filer. This one is a file. This one is a buff. So that is what I got, and I'm good because now I have these ones for buffing the nails and prepping the nails. Sorry. These ones for taking out product. These ones I think are for the feet, if I'm not wrong. For calluses and bunions and corns, such kind, I think so. To take out the dead skin from the feet, but I research more, but I think that's what they are for. So I'm glad it came all these. I thought it would just come. I thought this would be the only item, but I'm glad that I have all these. I don't have to buy these extra. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe to my channel. It helps the channel to grow, and also liking the video will suggest it will suggest the videos to others. So whenever you see a video like it will help my channel to grow. Otherwise, have a nice day full of God's blessings, and see you in my next video.